What? Veta? Hela morgonen prövar vi.
Ini memang profeta Allah ni punya mata juga.
Iya.
Koi. Anak.
Pati amon ne di mo?
Andu lagi nan. Has me rodeado fotal.
Yuck. Vampire. Manunlan ovo vampire. Dracula. Homer.
Mangku cekora.
Vampire. Who is the vampire? All right, this style, it was derived from the people of Luguini. This is how they usually use leaves. A special kind of leaf to massage their eyeballs, and by doing that, they open their eyeballs like that, and then they'll blow. They would have some cream all over it, some special kind of cream to soothe it while they blow. This lady, this young lady right here, she came from Wilton, and her eyes were messed up. It was messed up. If you could see, it's over red. See that? Well, they could just use some Visine to relieve it, but this way is the traditional way of massaging an injured eye. And this poros came from Moe Daman.